which is a type of random method that I'm saying. Directory lookup is a type of random file organization technique. What is happening is I have a directory. This directory is having a list of keys and a list of addresses which are associated with every key. ये वाली key is stored at this particular address. So what you actually have in random is you are having various addresses and various keys are stored there. So this is a directory lookup method that you search for every key, look up at the corresponding address, and then you go to that address and fetch the particular record. Although it seems like a very good method, and you can have any kind of key, any kind of address can be mapped. 1 2 3 ही key होना जरूरी नहीं है. ABC, XYZ, images or whatever can be type of keys depending upon the size of the directory. But in case you have a huge size of data, a huge directory has to be created. So there is additional space that the directory is taking. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. To save a directory require a lot of additional space. So in case you are having a bigger amount of data, large amount of data, so the memory space required by the directory is also very large. So that is a wastage of space. So a directory lookup method fails in case you are having a huge amount of data, because जितनी बड़ी directory होगी lookup time उतना ही increase हो जाएगा. So directory lookup method is not for very large data. For smaller data, it is very nice method. So what do we do for a larger data? How do we access a larger data randomly? Random file organization में we do hashing. What do I mean by hashing? Hashing means that I'm going to map the key associated with a file using some function into the address value. This function is generally known as the hash function. So what a hash function does is, depending on the key, hash function calculates the address at which the file might be located. तो आपको directory में key और उसका corresponding address save नहीं करना पड़ रहा. You don't have to save it. You only have to calculate this every time you are going to look up to a record, and you directly go to the address at which the particular key is stored. Just for example, there are many techniques for hashing. Just for a very small example, supposedly I am taking hash function as k mod m. I'm just giving you a very small example where m is the size of my hash table. M is the size of a hash table. जितना भी आपका hash table का size है. K is the value of the key. Supposedly there is some value 1713 that you want to save. ऐसी कुछ values है, and the size of the hash table is supposedly 11. Just taking an example. So I take a mod of this value, and 1713 mod 11, whatever comes becomes the corresponding address. So since 11 is the size of hash table, 0 से 10 तक की available options है. 0 से 10 तक available options में whatever the value comes out, there 1713 is stored. So that value you don't have to record in a